Good morning, students. Myself Rupinder Kaur, and today we are going to start with another interesting topic inside our Earth. As humans, we are always be curious to know how the Earth is formed, isn't it? It is not in a single day or in a year. It took millions of years to form Earth on which we can live. That is why it is different from the other planets. Now let's discuss about some of the facts about our Earth. The foremost thing about our Earth in which we are living is about 460 crore years old. Yes, you have heard it right, that it is 460 crore years old. And it is impossible to reach the center of the Earth because the temperature inside increases with the increase in its depth. The deep we go, the more the temperature rise, and the material consists of the inner layers are heavier than that of the outer layer. So these are some of the facts which I want to discuss before going to start our chapter. Let's begin with our chapter. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. Why it is called a dynamic planet? Because it undergoes lots of changes from inside to outside, and even it is the densest planet in our solar system in accordance with mass and volume. That is why it is carrying a lot of population on it, and even it is made up of several layers with different compositions and physical properties. And the person who study its interior is called geologist. And it is very important to have an elementary knowledge about the earth structure, and it is necessary to understand its surface also. Let's talk about the temperature now. The temperature in the center, it is estimated to be about 5000 degrees Celsius. Thus, it is not possible to assess direct information about the interior of Earth. I can give you an example of the temperature. In the summer season, we have 45 to 50 or 40 to 45 degree temperature, and we could not bear that temperature. So you can imagine how hot it is inside our Earth. Most of our Earth structure and interior is based on the density of materials and the behavior of earthquake waves. So I have a question. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? What happened at that time? Our earth start or our ground start shaking. These waves, these earthquake waves reveals earth behaves like a solid body up to a depth of about 2900 kilometers from the surface, and the average density of the earth is about 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter, and the density of the rock increase toward the center of our earth. So these are the things which I want to tell you. Moving up, next is there are two pictures. One is of earth and the other one is of onion. The earth is compared with an onion. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. As you can see in the first picture, the outer surface where we were living is called lithosphere, as it is hard. So the other part or the other layers of our earth is regarding the other structures or the other layers of our earth. Just like an onion, when we sliced an onion, we can see different layers which are covering one to other. This is how our earth is covered with different layers. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you so much. Students, I am sending you a link of a video. Please go through that video as well. Thank you so much.